In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on expert option using your mobile phone as a complete beginner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open the app on your mobile device. If in case expert option is not available in your region, you can use a proxy or VPN. If that doesn't work, all I have to do is go back to the main homepage and click the Go to the Web version. Please keep in mind that trading involves significant risk and you can lose money. So what we are going to do is create a demo account and never trade money you can't afford to lose. Expert Option provides a free demo account once you have created your account here. Now let's take a quick tour of the app. You will see the price chart in the center. The asset selection at the top, which is going to be the drop-down menu here. The trade amount can be found at the bottom and the trade duration plus the expiration timer. Now you will notice that the green going up button plus the red down button is part of the chart showing the asset's price movement over time. Okay? Now, we're going to choose our first asset on the top menu. You see the drop-down menu here. Normally, the Euro and USD is one of the most common popular trading commodities that you can select. So I'm going to choose this one. Now for beginners, use the minimum trade size available. You see the investment here. You can start with $1 for now and click the confirm button. Remember, risk only a small percentage per trade. Never put your entire balance into one position. Many experienced traders recommend risking only a small portion of your account on any single trade. Okay, so the $1 is more than enough for that. And we need to select the trade duration. You see the auto close right here. I want you to click on it and you will see various expiration times depending on the asset. So you can choose from 30 seconds, 1 minute, 1 is to 30 seconds, 2 minutes, and 30. So it's up to you. Let's say I'm choosing the 30 seconds. I'm going to click the confirm button. And before entering a trade, look for the uptrend. That means price making higher highs, and the downtrend meaning price making lower highs. So beginners should avoid trading when price is moving randomly with no clear directions. Now at this point, all I have to do is either you click the sell button or the buy button. It's up to you. For example, you click the buy button, you want to make sure to create your deposit first here in expert option. So it's better to always use a demo account. Okay, and basically that's it for today's video on how to trade on expert option for beginners using your mobile phone. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.